Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. This is a really quick review from a wig that I got from Wig Types. So thank you so much Wig Types for sending over this unit. This one is the COURTNEY wig, and let me get the color for you guys. This one is in color TH1B2430, and this one is by Equal Freetress. It was definitely giving me like Valentina vibes. I don't know if you guys remember when Valentina wig came out, but this one is a little bit shorter and it's a side part, which I really liked, so that's why I wanted to grab it. I went ahead and used my Ebin Lace Tint Spray. I used that one in the dark medium brown, and I just popped the unit on my head. I didn't do any plucking or anything like that. I don't do that for synthetic wigs, you guys. If I don't like the hairline on my synthetic wigs, I will either just brush down the baby hairs like you see me doing here, or I will put the wig behind my hairline and use my own baby hairs. So those are the ways that I kind of just work with hairlines on synthetic wigs that I don't like. I don't really want to put the extra time into like plucking synthetic wigs. I don't know. I'm just not that dedicated, y'all. But I went ahead and pulled out the baby hairs, trimmed a little bit of them. The highlight to this wig, I would definitely say, is the color. I think it's really beautiful. Also, the length is very, very everyday. I could see someone making this their everyday work wig. You buy it, 4 or 5 times, and you just wear it and just keep wearing it. I really, really like wigs like that. So I'm going to stop talking, let you guys watch what I'm doing, and I'll come back with my final thoughts. So you guys, as you can see, I was using a lot of GLEEmade products. If you guys want to grab these are from my own personal brand. You can head over to GLEEmade.com or check the links down below. You can order these through Amazon Prime as well. In the parting space, I used the Maybelline Fit Me liquid concealer, and that is in the shade medium. So I went ahead and started combing out the curls, and I definitely like how the hair was combing out, but I did notice that the front bang area was a little too long, so I did trim the bang a little bit on the side where the heavier bang is. I also wanted to have a little more volume around the front of my hairline, so I used a little bit of hairspray to create that shape as well, and yeah. So this is the final look, you guys. I was super happy with how this hair came out. It's very beautiful. It's a really nice moderate length. I'm really going for wigs that are like a moderate length these days. I don't know why, but I absolutely love this one. It's super cute. I'll leave links down below to where you can check this out at Wig Types. And make sure you guys are sharing this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.